So these are the materials. I'm using this thread, a 1.5 millimeter crochet hook, a charm, a clasp, and a little heart that goes with the clasp. So let's start crocheting. I already made a knot here, and I'm gonna start crocheting a chain 5. And 5 is going to be the turning chain. Always at the end we chain 1, and that's gonna give the height when we are turning each row. So chain 1, and then we're gonna start with the half double crochets. For a half double crochet, we yarn over, insert our hook in the second chain from the hook, and then yarn over, pull through. Now we have 1, 2, 3 loops in our hook, and now we yarn over and pull through all the loops. Let's do it again. We have to do it 3 more times since we're gonna be working on 4 chains. So let's start again. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 1, 2, 3 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops, and that is our second stitch. Let's go to the third half double crochet, and now the fourth, and this is going to give the width to the necklace. Always at the end we're going to chain 1, and now we're going to turn our work. Remember, the chain doesn't count as a stitch, so right in the first stitch we're gonna make a half double crochet, and we're gonna do it 3 more times. Second, third, this is fourth, and now we're gonna chain 1. Always chain 1 at the end, turn your work and start crocheting again. It's going to repeat the same pattern over and over until you get the length you want. Here we're gonna be crocheting a choker, so we're gonna continue until we reach about 5-6 inches, of course depending on the length you want it and on the size of your neck. If you want a choker or if you want a little longer, yeah, you do it with those dimensions. So let's continue doing that, and I'll meet you right then. This is already 5 inches and a half, and remember this stretches. Now let's start putting the charm, and here you have to be a little creative. Probably what I'm just doing is inserting my hook right there, and then yarn over and pull through very carefully, and then you do a slip stitch, and I'm gonna treat this like if it is a chain 1. I'm gonna turn my work and continue normally. Of course, the other side has to be the same measurement of this side. So let's continue doing that until the end, and I'll meet you guys right there. So I got to the end. These 2 sides measure exactly the same. Now I'm gonna put the little clasp, but before I'm just gonna try to slip stitch to the middle. Let's go right in the middle, insert our hook, do slip stitch, and once the thread is in the middle, we're gonna fasten off and add the clasp. Hey everyone, it's Clara. Check out this crochet necklace, a little piece of chill handmade art just for you. If you dig this vibe, swing by my Etsy for more cool designs coming soon. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment to support my journey. It truly means the world. Stay cool and catch you later.